let's get on here and learn how to sign up with a cleaning company. Let's go. We're gonna type in KBS subcontractor. Look, janitorial and exterior service subcontractor opportunities. Partner with KBS. We're gonna go to get started. And then we're gonna fill all this out. If you have a carpet cleaner, you're gonna hit carpet cleaner. Floor cleaning. Portering means that you will be okay with going into a business for 8 hours a day to do that business. Yeah, you'd have to be there for a full 8 hours a day, but usually those contracts are in the tens of thousands of dollars. Yeah. Power washing, snow plowing if you have the equipment to do that. Snow services and removal if you have the equipment to do that. Like, if you have equipment, you can obviously do more things than just cleaning with these people. Just keep filling all this out. These folks do want you to have your own insurance, though. If you already have like limited liability insurance and workers' comp, these are good ones to go with. Let me show you ones that provide insurance for you. Okay, so we typed in subcontract with CleanNet USA. Going to go down to where it says contractor resources. Here's these people. CleanNet USA. Vendor application. Then you're gonna fill this out. With these folks, you can get insurance through them. You do not have to buy your own insurance. They take it out of your monthly checks. It is very easy. Very, very easy. This is where they have locations. Almost every state. Even if they don't have a location in your state, I would still apply because they might have work in your state that you could do for them. BBB accredited, A+ rating. Those are great people to do business with. This is one of the ones that I do business with. So I showed you guys 2 places. Good luck. So good luck with your future business. Your children are going to hate me because you're going to have so much time to drive them crazy. And your husband's going to love you because he's going to have so much time to drive you crazy. Bye.